Welcome to Two-Way Direct, your number one two-way radio dealer in the US. We not only offer all major brand products, but we do so at the lowest prices guaranteed. Today, we will be walking through the warranty process in the case that you need to send in an item for warranty repair or replacement. Follow this step-by-step guide to get the warranty process started. Go to twowaydirect.com and click on Support. Scroll down to Warranties and click the Warranty form. In this section, you will see the steps in completing and sending in this warranty form to our service team. Complete this form and either save as a PDF or fax it to us at 877-694-6603. Attach warranty form to support request form if not faxed. If you saved this warranty form as a PDF, attach it to the support request form below this section. Complete the support request form. For the case issue, select Warranty and enter all relevant information regarding your product. It is always best to include as much information regarding your product as possible for our team to take note of while servicing your product. Read the warranty policies below the support request form. Be sure to read this section before submitting the support request form, as it possesses information on what is covered and what is not covered under warranty. If there is any natural defect with the product, and it is within that warranty period, it is very likely to be covered by the warranty. Do not send in product before receiving an RMA number. Once you submit the support request form, our service department will reach out within 1 to 2 business days with detailed instructions on how to send in your equipment. They will provide the Two-Way Direct address and the Ship to Attention field information. We will provide an RMA number for you to write in the Ship to Attention field on your package. Be sure to write this both in the Ship to field, but also on the box to make it easier for our team to link and track your case number with your product. This also expedites the warranty, repairs, or replacement process when our team can access the RMA number easily. If you do not include an RMA number on your shipment, your package may get lost or will not be able to be tracked. Evaluation. Once Two-Way Direct receives your product, we will evaluate your devices to see if they are covered under warranty. If they are covered, we will go ahead and repair or replace the item or items and ship back to the return address provided as soon as possible. If your product is not covered under warranty, we will give you a call and let you know. You then have 4 options. 1. Two-Way Direct ships back your product to you at no additional cost to you outside of return shipping. Number 2. Two-Way Direct can recycle the equipment if requested by the customer. Number 3. Trade-in program. You can utilize our trade-in program by handing over your old devices to us for a discount on a new product or system. Number 4. Pay for repairs. If you would like a radio repaired, you can pay a repair fee and get your devices fixed and sent back to you. We offer a free evaluation on how much this repair would cost, and we will communicate that cost with you to move forward. For more information regarding the warranty process here at Two-Way Direct, reach out to us at 888-742-5893, and a representative will take care of you.